What's the meaning of chalk ice? Chalk ice. Chalk ice.
Choc ice. Choc ice. Choc ice is a British slang term that refers to a chocolate-covered ice cream bar or a person who pretends to be something they're not. The phrase has a negative connotation and can be used to describe someone who is two-faced or hypocritical. Alternatively, it can also be used to describe a situation that seems appealing or attractive on the outside, but is actually unpleasant or disappointing once experienced. Overall, chalk ice conveys a sense of deceit or false appearance.